Shannon Morse with Signal by Sony, and today is the start of Mobile World Congress, the big yearly event for news and announcements in the mobile space. Now, normally we have our Sony mobile team here to help us and tell us all about the new goodies, but they're currently over in Europe. Now, while I didn't get a ticket to Spain, we did get sent the gadgets announced today, so I'm here to give you the inside scoop. So here I have Sony's brand new phone. It's called the Xperia M4 Aqua. It's a mid-tier smartphone and the successor to the M2 Aqua. Now, in just looking at the phone, there are some key differences to point out. First off, it is waterproof. It's got those features. This one is also waterproof, but in addition to the exposed headphone jack, now the charging port is a waterproof uncovered port, so you don't need to worry about keeping it sealed. It has the rounded frame, and you can also see the NFC logo here on the back. Now, screen size is 5 inches, and it is a step up in resolution from the Xperia M2 at 720p. Also new from the M series, the M4 Aqua has IPS technology, which was originally from the premium line for sharp display, even when viewing at an angle. It is running Android 5.0 Lollipop, and a really big change from last year is the processor. The M4 is powered by the Snapdragon 615, one of Qualcomm's latest chipsets and Sony's first smartphone with a 64-bit octa-core processor. The setup is actually 2 CPUs, each with 4 cores. One CPU handles the heaviest workloads, and the other handles lighter workloads, so that it's going to give you faster apps and longer battery life. The RAM is 2 gigs, and now jumping to the camera. So of course on the back you have a 13 megapixel camera, but on the front facing you have 5 megapixels. You get a wide 22mm lens, which is awesome for selfies, just gonna say. It also has automatic curvature correction to eliminate that fisheye effect that you often get from a wide angle lens. Now, you've probably noticed this with your own pictures, and I've definitely noticed it with mine. If I'm ever holding up my phone and I take a picture on the front, I tap the screen and my finger ends up in the pictures, and that's no fun. Well, luckily Sony did pay attention to that too with this new phone. They included a feature called double tap on the back cover, so when you double tap, you take your picture. No need for that extra finger in front of the lens. They even added a lot of features to the front camera, such as superior auto mode, even HDR for backlit photos, and a portrait retouch. So when I'm taking pictures, my complexion looks awesome. I also want to mention that video capabilities are up to 1080p. Now, no dramatic changes with the audio between the M4 and the M2, but battery got a really healthy jump also, getting the perks of Sony's premium line technology with up to 2 days of battery time. And of course, if you guys are stuck in a snowstorm somewhere, Ultra Stamina Mode keeps essential phone and messaging functions going for up to a week. Now, there's no word yet on price. Keep in mind that depends on the markets, and availability is in June for selected markets. Some of the variations will include SIM and dual SIM, along with a spectrum of colors that include black, white, coral, and silver, depending on market. Definitely check out Sony's mobile team website for more on the Xperia M4 Aqua. And if you want to check out all things Sony, go to youtube.com/signal. I'm Shannon Morse. Thanks for watching.